Hi everyone, today we're going to be prepping, sanding all the external parts that are actually going to have the gray color on it. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below. Today is all about sanding parts. So it's actually a weekday. I'm up early in the morning before work because I have a big workload of sanding I have to do on a bunch of parts. So I'm starting with the small stuff. I'm going to get this stuff prepared because I'm hoping to shoot by this weekend to seal a bunch of stuff up and actually put some color on. I went to the paint store yesterday, got a bunch of supplies. I have my paint guns. I have, not that I'll be using it, but lizard skin, a whole bunch of stuff is all coming in today, shipping in. So I'm just trying to get some of this dirty work, if you will, out of the way so I can move forward on the steps, and we'll see how it goes. So here we are back in the house, so nothing rust, and here's my little pile of parts I just sanded. But that is nothing compared to how much more is buried inside of all this stuff. So I have to get this stuff prepared in the next 2 days. Hopefully tonight I'll get a good run on it. A lot of these parts are bigger, so I got all the small stuff done. Rest of it's bigger, wider, flat spots, except for the tubes. So shouldn't be bad. This is probably the worst piece here when it comes to curvatures and stuff. But other than that, and then I got the roll bar, big old roll bar. So should be good to go. But I'm going to keep going on in the mornings and nights, depending on what it takes to get through all this stuff. Clocking in at 104 degrees. At 6 o'clock at night. So we're gonna keep sanding. I'm starting with all the flat and also somewhat rounded parts, and then I'll get to the tubes after I get done with all this stuff.
Hey everyone, just wanted to give you an update. So I did my first batch. Oh, hold on a second. It is 7:30 at night and we're at 98 degrees. So we've dropped a good 6 degrees or so. And of course I'm celebrating that by having a hot chicken ramen dinner to exacerbate the heat. But anyways, I got done with the first batch of parts. It seems like all the aluminum parts you have to deburr on one side. I guess whatever press goes through leaves burring on one side. And then the steel for the most part is fine, but I found a few things on these. These are all flat, so this is going to go through real quick. And then after this, the last batch I have is the suspension, so it's round tubes. So I don't know if I'm going to get to that tonight because there's only so much heat I can handle, but I'm going to definitely try to, because I have to start setting up for painting over the next few days and get all the pieces and parts together and stuff that I'm missing. So I'm going to keep trucking at it. So here I go. Another day of work to get some more parts done, but I did get a lot of stuff done. It's just a lot of work, and man, my arms are killing me. My grip is gone. I've done so much gripping and sanding. I don't even have fingerprints anymore. It's like it's all gone. So till next time, we'll catch up on this and we'll finish up the batch and hopefully be painting in a few days.